pizza with laing? Kaya ba sa microwave yan? Kayang-kaya with the Condura Microwave. Here are the ingredients. 1 pack of fresh habit laing, pre-made pizza crusts, siling labuyo, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Step 1. Heat the fresh habit laing in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes at medium-high settings. Step 2. Brush the pizza crust with olive oil. Step 3. Place a heaping spoon of laing on the crust and spread it evenly. Step 3.5. Optional lang if you want a little spice, add some chopped siling labuyo. Step 4. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the laing. Step 5. Cook the pizza in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes at medium-high heat, or until the cheese has melted and the crust is golden or toasted. Let it cool for a bit and just slice and serve. Kawabongga! Ang daling gawin itong uniquely Pinoy na laing pizza. Kayang-kaya sa Condura Microwave, di ba?